On today's menu, a recipe so easy you can make it without noodling around. Easy vegan yakisoba.
Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung. Welcome to my channel where I help you cook with confidence. By now, you probably know that I absolutely love noodle recipes because I've even published a vegan ramen cookbook. If you'd like to find out more information about this book, you can click the link above or a link in the description box below. Now, this easy Japanese yakisoba is so delicious and super easy to make. This is how you make it.
Preheat the oven to 375. Dry 1 pound of extra firm tofu with a paper towel. Slice the tofu into strips.
Now it's up to your personal preference if you want to cut them into little bite-sized strips or cubes, but we're going to bake these in the oven. It's gonna get a little bit of a crispy outer layer, so when we go to stir fry it, the tofu is not gonna fall apart so easily.
Line the tofu on a baking tray with parchment paper. Season with salt and pepper. 1 pound of extra firm tofu will easily give you 4 individual portions. Bake in the oven for 25 minutes.
While we wait for the tofu, we can prep our veggies and our sauce.
1 garlic, finely sliced. Finely chop 1 stick of green onion, keeping the white and the green part separate. Half a quarter pound of button mushrooms. Chop half a carrot into matched sticks. Chop 3 large leaves of nappa cabbage. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. To prep the sauce, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons ketchup. Stir to combine.
Right, so I don't actually have soba noodles on hand right now, but in the spirit of Japanese cuisine, I'm gonna make it with my favorite Japanese udon noodles.
Boil the noodles for half the time of package instructions, in this case, 4 minutes. Strain out your noodles, keeping half a cup of cooking water.
Look at that golden, crispy tofu.
Saute pan. Medium-high heat. A drizzle of olive oil. Add the white part of the green onion and garlic. Nappa cabbage. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Mushrooms. Carrots. Tofu. Saute for a minute. Noodles. Sauce. Reserved cooking water. Small bunch of bean sprouts. Saute for a few minutes. Once the sauce has been absorbed by the noodles, it's done. Plate. Green onion. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds.
This is an amazing homemade hot sauce. I'll leave a link in the description box below so that you can make this easily at home.
You can now make this easy noodle dish with absolute confidence.
There's something really magical almost about noodles. It's just so comforting. I mean, look how amazing that looks. Oh my gosh. The noodles are just perfectly cooked, and that amazing tofu just doesn't break apart because we baked it in the oven so that it has the opportunity to get that amazing kind of crispier layer on the outside. That is really just phenomenal. Just so much flavor in the noodles because we have cooked them in the boiling water, and then we finish them off in the pan with that incredible stir-fry sauce. It just has the opportunity to absorb all of that amazing flavor. That really is just phenomenal. Absolutely delicious. If you'd like to find out more information about that amazing vegan ramen cookbook, you can click the link in the description box below. In the meantime, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.